Hello everyone, I am Abu Ameir from NeutronSoft Academy. In this video, we will continue working on our first project using .NET, and we will explain in the detail the main folders and files in the project, such as controllers, models, and views. When we created this project in the previous video, Visual Studio generated a ready-made structure. This structure is the foundation of MVC applications, consisting of three main folders: controllers, models, views, plus www.root, which contains static files. Let's start with the controllers folders. Okay. Controllers folder is the brain of the application. It handles incoming requests from users and decides which or what to return in the response. In simple terms, it contains the application's logic. In the upcoming videos, we will create our own controller and see how it interacts with the views. Okay. This is action method, name index, and this is another action result, name privacy. Okay. Let's talk about models. The models folder is where we define classes that represent the data or entities we work with, such as users, students, products, invoices, and more. It is the layer that handles data and the database entities. Okay, let's talk about views. The views folder is the presentation layer. Here we write the pages that the users will see, usually as Razor files with a .cs_html extension. These files allow combining C# code with HTML to display data dynamically. Okay? Let's talk about www.root. This folder is where we store static files like images, CSS files, and JavaScript files. Anything placed in this folder is directly accessible to the browsers. CSS file, JS file, libraries like Bootstrap, jQuery. Okay. Let's talk about Program and appsettings.json. Program.cs, this is the entry point of the application. It tells .NET how to run project and configurations, services, and routing, which we will talk about later. Okay? Appsettings.json or appsettings.json, this file stores general project settings like database connection, API keys, or any environment-specific configuration. Okay? So now we have a clear understanding of the components of an ASP.NET Core MVC project, and we know the role of each folder and file. In the next video, we will practically create our first controller and view and display our first Hello World message. This was Abu Ameir from NeutronSoft Academy. See you next time.